Hey there, Walt here from Walt in PA, coming at you from the back roads of southeast Pennsylvania, and you're watching Weston Supermoto Vlog. Kind of like that. I wonder if that'll work. Good morning. It's a very quick ride into Weston now. I've got Nick now in front of me. For the first time, he doesn't like leading.
Say, that's a nice bike.
I've insisted, I've told him the camera's off, which it may well be because my battery is right on the end of its life. We're having a quick ride into Weston. We just had a Starbucks.
Weston Supermare, eh? Weston Supermare.
Oh, you lost me there.
Come on, Weston Supermare!
And life is good. So, just to say hi, and hi from Nick. Stay safe, guys, take care, and I'll catch you on the flip side.